Hi, I'm English teacher Kebab. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn about one of the most useful verbs in English, the verb do. The verb do helps us ask questions, makes negative statements, and talk about the present and the past. In this lesson, you will learn do, does, don't, and doesn't. By the end of this lesson, you will be able to answer many common English questions. We use do and does to ask questions in the present tense. Examples: do you like coffee? Do they work here? Does he live in Los Angeles? Does she speak English? I, you, we, and they do. He, she, it does. Repeat after me. Do you like coffee? Do you work on Saturdays? Does he have a car? Does she live nearby? Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Does he work here? Yes, he does. No, he doesn't. We use don't and doesn't to make negative statements. Examples: I don't drink coffee. You don't work today. He doesn't like pizza. She doesn't live here. I, you, we, and they don't. He, she, and it doesn't. We use did to ask questions in the simple past. Examples: did you work yesterday? Did she call you? Did they study English? Important rule: after did, you use the base form of the verb. For example, did you work yesterday? We don't say, did you worked yesterday? Didn't means did not. We use didn't to make negative statements in the past. Examples: I didn't work yesterday. She didn't call me. They didn't study. Another important rule: after didn't, we use the base form of the verb. We don't say I didn't worked. We say I didn't work. Answer these questions. Do you like coffee? Does your teacher give homework? Did you work yesterday? Did you study English last night? Pause the video and answer these questions. Role play with a partner. Do you work? Yes, I do. Does your wife work? Yes, she does. Did you work yesterday? No, I didn't. Did you study English? Yes, I did. Here are some common mistakes. He don't like coffee. No, that's wrong. Did you worked yesterday? No, that's wrong. She doesn't likes pizza. No, that's wrong. Incorrect. We say he doesn't like coffee. You didn't work yesterday. She doesn't like pizza. Let's do some writing practice. Complete the sentences. Do you coffee? Does he here? I don't tea. Did you yesterday? I didn't last night. Let's review. Present questions: do or does. Present negative: don't or doesn't. Past questions: did. Past negative, didn't. The verb do is one of the most important tools in the English language. It helps you to ask questions and make negative questions. It helps you to ask questions and make negative statements. If you master this verb, it'll help you speak more naturally and confidently. Thank you for studying with me. See you next time. Have a good day.